Hello everyone, my name is Rohan Poddar and welcome to another INSEE tutorial video for IPSDB 1.0. Today we are going to discuss different control modules available in IPSDB. As you can see, I'm already logged in the application. When you log into the application, you land on the home page that allows you to fill in the project details. It is mandatory to fill up these details because names for all your download files are created using this information. As you can see, I've already filled it up for this tutorial. To add software module in your project, click on the plus button. It will take you to the items page. You will be able to add all the available control modules, equipment modules, and sequences on this page. To add an item, you need to click Edit button. A form is opened. Here you can fill up the details of the item, select the category, and then click Add. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a control module. IPSDB provides 7 control modules. DI, a digital input module to cover switches and sensors. DO, digital output module to cover non-feedback type control modules such as solenoids, or you can use it as interface signal with the third-party device. AI, an analog input module to cover all kinds of transmitters. DV, a digital valve module to cover the two-position valves. DOL, a direct online starter module. AV, an analog valve module to cover the variable position valves. VSD, a variable speed drive starter module. Let's add a control module for each of these types in our project to see just how easy it is to do it. Let's create a level switch, LS01, for tank T1 low level, indicates low level in the tank. The documentation section of the form is used to add information in your FDS. Let's select the category, DI. I want an alarm when the tank level is low, so I'm going to check this box and click Add. That's it. Less than 5 seconds and your object is inserted in your code. Here is the beauty of the application, is that as you start adding your items in the project, the PLC code for that item is being generated in the background, making the code generation super fast. Okay, now let's create level transmitter LT01 for tank T1 level and category AI. Now, as you can see, when you select a category, if there are additional configuration applicable to that category, then they are made available. Here, I want the range to be 0 to 100 because it's a level sensor. I want the unit to be percent, and maybe I want a high level alarm. So I'm going to enable high level alarm, and I'm going to put 80%. So just select that. I'm going to select low level alarm because I want low level alarm, and then I'm going to put set point for it, and that's it. Click add, and your transmitter control module is added in your project. Now let's create digital output for solenoid SOL01. This is going to be tank T1 drain valve. Okay, and I'm going to select the category as DO and click add. That's it. Okay, let's create a digital valve V01, and this is going to be my tank's outlet valve. Okay, and the category is going to be DV add. Okay, let's create a DOL pump P01, and this is going to be my tank T1 inlet pump. Category is going to be DOL, and I'm going to add it. Okay, that's done. Then next I'm going to create an analog valve V02. This is going to be my tank T1's inlet valve, and the category is going to be AV. Now it is asking to input the control variable unit here. I'm going to leave it as percent. This is used in the documentation and on the HMI to show the amount of opening for that control valve. I'm going to click add, and that creates my analog valve. Then the last category here is VSD. I'm going to create my pump P02, which is going to be outlet pump for my tank T1. Select the category as VSD. Here it is asking the unit for speed of the VSD. So when it is shown on the HMI, it is going to show 10% speed, 20% speed, etc. So I'm going to leave it at percent. It is only used for documentation purpose. Click add, and that's it. These are all the control modules available in IPSDB. These should cover 99% of instrumentation in your process plant. There is no limit to how many control modules you can add in your project, so you can use IPSDB for small as well as large projects. In next video, I will cover all the variations of equipment modules available in IPSDB. Thank you for watching.